Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make all the planets in Infinite Craft fastest method. So the first one is Earth, and then Wind right here to create dust, and then add Earth into it to create planet, and then add Fire into it to create Sun. So now we have Sun. The next thing is Fire, Wind, and then you want to add Water so that you'd have Fog. Once you have Fog is you want to add Plant into it so that you would have Venus. So now that we have Venus, we can actually add Sun into this, and we can create Mercury right here, and we can just add Venus right here. And then once you have this, the next thing is you want to go for Venus and then add Mercury to create Earth, but you can actually just drag this one right here. So the next thing is you want to go for Wind and Dust, and then once you have Sandstorm, the next thing is to just simply add Planet into it. You would have Mars. And then the next thing is you want to go for Wind, and then add another Wind to create Tornado. Once you have Tornado, add Planet so that you would have Cyclone, and then add another planet to create Jupiter. And then the next thing is that you want to go for Fire, and then you want to go for Water to create Steam. The next thing is you're going to go for Fire to create Engine, and then add Planet to create Saturn. And now once you have Saturn, the next thing is to go for Dust, Fire, and then add Earth right here and add Water into it to create Plant, combine it with Ash to create Tobacco, add Planet into it, you would have Uranus. And then once you have Uranus, you simply need to go for Uranus, and Saturn you'd have Neptune. And then once you have this, the next thing is go for Uranus again, add Neptune into it to create Pluto. And now that you have Pluto, the next thing is you want to go for Planet and Earth to create Moon right here. And we can just place this however you want, and this is basically how you do it on creating all the planets here in Infinite Craft.